Welcome back. Today we're talking about the most important meal of the day, breakfast. But not just any breakfast. We're focusing on keto-friendly options that set you up for success. Here's the deal. Consistency is key, especially when you're on a keto diet. Eating the right foods at the same time every day helps your body stay in fat-burning mode and keeps your energy stable throughout the day. By starting your morning with the right fats and nutrients, you're not only fueling your body, but also retraining your brain to stick to healthy habits. And let's be real, keto is about more than just the food. It's about creating a routine that works for you. So today, I'm going to show you some easy, delicious keto breakfasts that will help you stay on track, keep you satisfied, and, most importantly, build the consistency you need for long-term success. Let's get started. 1. Avocado and eggs. This one's a classic. Super easy. Just fry or scramble some eggs and pair them with half an avocado. Mash it up or slice it and you've got a quick, keto-friendly breakfast. Now, avocados can be a bit tricky. They can be pricey and spoil pretty quickly. And again, remember, it's not just about what you eat. It's about eating it at the same time every day to really train your body to burn fat and stay in ketosis. Keto Smoothie. Next up, we've got a Keto Smoothie. I love this option because it's quick, refreshing, and packed with nutrients. But here's the thing. Keto-friendly protein powders and fresh berries can be a bit expensive, especially if you're using them daily. That said, they're a great investment for your health and can be a convenient breakfast when you're short on time. The other reason I almost didn't add this is because it will spike your glycemic index and might lead to some other issues I will go into later. But that being said, when you are going full stupid on keto, the sweet fix you can get from this smoothie cannot be understated. We are only human and we diet to live, not live to diet. Here's how I make my go-to smoothie. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, a 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries, whichever is available, 1 scoop of keto protein powder, and if you want to add extra fiber, toss in a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. Side note, get used to chia and flaxseed on keto. Play around with them as much as possible. Just blend it all together, adjust the sweetness to your liking with a keto-friendly sweetener, and you're good to go. Smoothies are great for keeping you full and energized, and they help you stay in ketosis by keeping your carbs low and your fats high. Bacon and eggs. Who doesn't love bacon and eggs? It's simple, filling, and a keto staple. This classic breakfast is quick to make and gives you the protein and fats you need to stay full throughout the morning. The issue here is that high-quality bacon can get expensive, and it's often high in sodium. So keep that in mind while purchasing bacon. Now let's talk about eggs. Honestly, eggs are the poster child for the keto diet, and for good reason. They're packed with healthy fats and protein. But the real magic lies in their versatility. Whether you scramble them, fry them, or hard-boil them, eggs fit perfectly into any keto meal. No matter what Team Avocado says, eggs are a near-perfect keto food. They're nutrient-dense, low in carbs, and filled with vitamins and minerals that are essential when you're on keto. Plus, eggs contain compounds like choline that support brain health, making them a solid foundation for your day. To make this breakfast, fry up a couple of slices of bacon and scramble or fry 2 eggs. You can even throw in some spinach or mushrooms if you want to sneak in some extra veggies. This meal is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping you in ketosis, full of healthy fats, quality protein, and 0 carbs. Keto pancakes. All right, if you're craving something a bit more indulgent, let's talk about keto pancakes. Now, almond flour is the star of this recipe, but it can be expensive, and not every store carries it. Also, keto-friendly syrup tends to cost a bit more than regular syrup, but trust me, it's worth it. These pancakes are a great way to keep things fun while staying on track with keto. Here's what you'll need. 1/2 cup almond flour, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons cream cheese or heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and of course, keto-friendly syrup or butter for serving. Instructions. 1. Mix all of that together in a bowl until smooth. 2. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and pour small circles of batter onto the skillet. 3. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. These pancakes are a fantastic way to satisfy your craving for something sweet while still loading up on fats and protein to fuel your body through ketosis. And to make things even easier, I'll include a download link below with the full cooking directions for these pancakes, so you can print it out or save it for later. Chia seed pudding. If you like to plan ahead, chia seed pudding is a great option. The downside? Chia seeds can be a bit pricey, and you'll need to make this the night before to get the right texture. But it's a fantastic grab-and-go breakfast that's packed with fiber and healthy fats. Here's the recipe. 2 tablespoons chia seeds, ½ cup unsweetened almond milk, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, keto-friendly sweetener to taste. Optional. Top with some berries if you'd like. Instructions. 1. Mix the chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla, and sweetener together in a jar. 2. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. 3. In the morning, give it another stir and top with some berries or nuts if you want to add more flavor or texture. Chia seed pudding is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick and filling. Keto breakfast bowl. Now, if you're someone who likes variety in the morning, the keto breakfast bowl is a winner. It's simple, customizable, and allows you to use whatever ingredients you have on hand. For this one, you'll need 2 scrambled eggs, 2 slices of bacon, cooked and crumbled, 1/4 avocado, diced, 1/4 cup shredded cheese as a note. Cheese is a touchy thing on keto, so try and not go above recommended amounts. Optional. Sautéed veggies like spinach or bell peppers for extra nutrients. Instructions. 1. Scramble your eggs in a skillet. 2. Cook and crumble the bacon. 3. Combine the scrambled eggs, bacon, avocado, and shredded cheese in a bowl. 4. Add in sautéed veggies if you want a little extra flavor and nutrition. This bowl is hearty, filling, and offers a great mix of fats and protein. Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Greek yogurt can be a fantastic keto breakfast, as long as you're using the full-fat, unsweetened variety. It's creamy, satisfying, and loaded with healthy fats and protein. Here's how I put it together. ½ cup full-fat, unsweetened Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons chopped almonds or walnuts, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Optional, a few berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon if you want to jazz it up. Instructions. 1. Spoon the yogurt into a bowl. 2. Top with your chopped nuts and chia seeds. 3. Add a few berries or a pinch of cinnamon if you're in the mood for something extra. It's simple to make and packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats to keep you full and energized. Egg muffins. If you're looking for a meal prep option, egg muffins are perfect. They do require a muffin tin and about 20 minutes of baking time, but once they're done, you've got breakfast ready for the whole week. These are versatile. You can mix in different veggies, meats, and cheeses to keep things interesting. Here's what you'll need. 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup shredded cheese, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers or spinach, 2 slices bacon cooked and crumbled, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Whisk the eggs in a bowl and then add cheese, bell peppers or spinach, and bacon. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Pour the mixture into a greased muffin tin, filling each about 3/4 full. 4. Bake for about 20 minutes, or until the muffins are set and golden. These egg muffins are super convenient because you can make them ahead of time, store them in the fridge, and just reheat them when you're ready to eat. Keto oatmeal, no oats. This one's a bit unique. Keto oatmeal without the oats. Instead, we're using ground flax seeds and chia seeds to create a warm, comforting breakfast that's packed with fiber. Now, I'll be honest, the texture is a little different from traditional oatmeal, but it's a great alternative if you miss your morning oats. Flax seeds can be more expensive than traditional oats, but they're worth it for the health benefits they offer. Here's what you'll need. 2 tablespoons ground flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, half cup unsweetened almond milk, half teaspoon cinnamon, keto-friendly sweetener to taste. Optional toppings, nuts, berries, or sugar-free chocolate chips. Instructions. 1. Mix the ground flax seeds, chia seeds, almond milk, and cinnamon together in a bowl. 2. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring halfway through. 3. Add your keto-friendly sweetener and any toppings you like, such as nuts, berries, or even sugar-free chocolate chips. This keto oatmeal is a great way to start your day with plenty of fiber and healthy fats. Keto breakfast sandwich. And finally, we have the keto breakfast sandwich. This is a great option if you're craving something more traditional, but with a keto twist. The challenge here is finding good low-carb bread, which can be a bit tricky and expensive. Alternatively, you can use lettuce wraps or even avocado slices as buns. Here's what you'll need. 2 slices low-carb bread or lettuce leaves, 2 slices cooked bacon or sausage patties, 1 scrambled or fried egg, 1 slice cheddar cheese. Optional: avocado slices as buns for an even lower carb option. Instructions. 1. Toast the low-carb bread, or prepare your lettuce or avocado slices as a bun. 2. Cook the bacon or sausage and scramble or fry your egg. 3. Assemble your sandwich with the bacon or sausage, egg, and cheese. 4. Serve and enjoy. This keto breakfast sandwich is a satisfying and filling option that's great for those mornings when you want something hearty. That wraps up the 10 easy keto breakfasts. Feel free to grab the downloads and check out the products I've linked if you want to try out some of the ingredients I use. Remember, finding what fits your lifestyle is key, and these breakfasts are here to help keep you on track with keto. Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.